Apa nak cakap banyak kan. Orang cakap dia saut kita, kita pun nyaut. Jadi pada sahabat aku Zulawak, kau ajak aku jogging kan bro, 5 km Apa, kasih aku training dulu, okay? Nanti kita jumpa InsyaAllah. We set time, we set date. Kau mesti jumpa sama lu. Pun tak pakai apa-apa mahal lah. Kasut ni je aku beli ringan-ringan ni. Aku tak tahu ni apa kasut, tapi jijik dah. Aku pun tak contemplate. Orang ajak, orang cium aku, dia nak ajak aku 5 km kan. Ini 5 km. Aku tak bela dia, tapi aku tengah nak warm up, nak kasih jog, nak mempersiapkan diri untuk Zulawak. Zulawak, lu dengar sini baik-baik. Kau sahut lu punya cabaran I'm waiting for you brother. Lu suar ready, lu call gua anytime. Gua jumpa sama lu, kita pergi jalan tu 5 km. Ciao.
Never ever chance to take us down. They try to turn our voice into a whisper. We're racing against time tonight. They gotta hold their armies and summon their allies.
For sure, it doesn't matter kau lari, you run 1 km, 2 km, 3 km, 4 km, 5 km. At the end of the day, you keep on doing what you're doing, set your goals and target. One day you will be there.
Chance to take us down. They try to turn our voice into a whisper. It's two against the world tonight.
Okay guys, my intention of creating this video is not for me to brag or for me to show off or whatsoever. I'm just like any one of you, a recovering addict, an ex-convict, trying to make a good living in life, a healthy lifestyle. Alright, so if you do like this kind of comment, don't forget to follow, like, share, comment and repost. And most importantly, don't forget to stay positive. Inshallah, see you guys soon. Assalamualaikum. Ciao.